Okay, I'm gonna head back now. That's the trail to either or the 4 mile. Is it green trail? I can't remember the name of the trail. Green trail, I call it green. And the red trail, you can loop off and it splits around over a little ways. One goes up the hill, another goes around and starts up going up the other hill. Okay, right here's why I came up there a minute ago. That's why I came down. The old rod there, wide down that way too. Okay, let's see. We'll come back up and go through the Black Forest I had mentioned to you earlier. This is similar to it up through here, best I remember. Excuse me. I see they've been through here marking the trails. See the feels like my camera's bouncing on my head. Let me see if I can tighten this down a notch or two to keep it from, maybe it's just me. Yeah, let's see. Kind of flat over there. Okay. Looks like they're making a new trail over that way. Yeah, I don't know. Distance through here sure is worn. Looks like it might be 6 or 7 inches deep in spots. This is part of the lower end of the Black Forest, so to speak. Okay. Meanders around through here. Them old horse tracks are hard to walk in sometimes. See what I mean by the gets kind of dark in here. Most cedar trees are kind of dense. Be interesting to see how the camera adjusts. Seems to do pretty good so far. Nice gentle breeze. Yeah, these trails like this are not kept by the state. They're just like the ranger told me that time I was asking about these. A map for them. They're not on the main state map where they take care of them. Just where over the years folks have meandered around through here and made their own trails, and they loop all over the place here in the park. Once you figure out where the main trail is, kind of get a general sense of the direction you're going. Well, that's pretty. I didn't pay attention to that before. Cleaned out over in there, kind of bare anyway. Huh? That's neat. Now that's kind of neat over in there, folks. Yeah, there's a squirrel right there. You catch it running right. It's on the ground now. Sure, it went over and went up a tree on the backside of a tree, hiding. I don't see it in there. It's went over here and hid somewhere. Nice little clean area. That left side over there goes pretty clean over that way. Huh. I don't think they've Yeah, I do see a tree or two that might have been burned at one time. That looks good though. And this ought to show up pretty good on the 4K. I took some still photos too, kind of mix in with some, pick a short video and mix, I don't know, couple, three still images with them. I found that to be kind of interesting. Try to keep an eye on not make my videos long. Alley-oop. Snaking through there. Walking up a little bit of a sweat. It will probably be easy to get turned around through here in the winter time. These trails will be covered up with snow unless you've been over here a few times and got a general idea of where it's at, or where you're going anyway. It'd be kind of hard to get lost in a way. As you keep going, you'll run into the main trail that loops around. Might take a while. There's a piece of old pipe, see right there? I have no idea what it would be over here in this little stream bed. It looked like old drill pipe from ages ago. There's some kind of a piece of tin laying right up, standing up there, but I ain't gonna fool with. I'm gonna look at that, see what it is. Something left over from the bygone days. Yeah, I say it's been quite a while since this trail's been used. That's covered up with leaves. Of course, I think it's been, when was the last time I was over here? A year and a half ago? A couple of summers ago? Might have been longer than that. And circling back around now. Yeah. Across right here, and it goes up the hill over there. Here's a sinkhole. I don't know if there was a tree in there at one time or not, but I don't really see any tree roots or anything, but Probably. I'm sure they don't have any maps of where holes been drilled and stuff like that. You can step in something like that and break a leg or fall through to a cavern below where they might have had a tunnel underneath this area. It's hard to say. Okay, let's see here. Checking my time here. Sun reflection off on it, can't hardly. I don't have one of those cameras where we can see it in bright late daylight, just an El Cheapo. It works pretty good, but it's not good enough for videoing. Excuse me when I wipe the sweat off my lip. I'm gonna get me another drink of water right quick before I stop that little knoll right there. Tad warm but it's wet. Y'all like these smart bottles. They're real flexible and you can just step on them. I've never really stepped on it, but they don't crunch like other bottles do. Oops, got the lid. See if you can get down here and get it. There we go. Blow the cobwebs out of that. Okay. I think I've mentioned this before, but one of my pipe that's come off some kind of machine at one time. Yeah, there and there. There's the couplings and stuff on it. Well, I was fixing to say, I'd like to get a drone, and a good one, you know, not something that'll last a month or two and then go to pot on me. But I'm thinking just the gist I get on looking at some on YouTube, you really get a good one. You're looking at a couple $1,000. If not more, depending on. And I'm thinking, not for sure, but I believe my Sony action camera that I got here would work with that. Yeah, I'm not really for sure, but I think it would. Get it mounted some way. See, right there's one pipe that's been cemented off right there. It could have been a vent hole at one time for underground mining when he's under. My thoughts anyway. I can't see any other reason for them being over here like that.